Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your plan and enter your billing details using the easy method. This is a great way to boost your writing space power on your current setup session so you can unlock the full potential of your Smart Assistant helper. Step 1. Open your main plan settings dashboard. The first step is to open your regular internet browser program, log into your chat profile, and head straight to your central account control room. Move your mouse pointer to your personal profile picture icon or organization name, click once on it, look down the choice list that slides open, and click on the row labeled Settings. Watch for the Account Management Center to open flat against your background view. Because you cannot modify your subscription from the regular public typing box or your standard past chat lists, you must enter this specific management room so the system can verify your ownership and open up your account features. Without this step, your plan options will stay completely hidden away in the background. Step 2. Enter the dedicated billing and payment panel. Next, you need to slide down your administrative side choices to find the specific tracking block where the computer keeps your subscription records. Look at the menu list sitting on the side of your configuration screen canvas rows, locate the row that says Billing, and click on it once with your main mouse button. Review the layout plan that appears in the middle of your monitor view, displaying your current plan status flat against your background view. Because every organization profile splits its settings into separate rows for member names, profile themes, and money management. Clicking this specific row tells the computer engine to focus entirely on your subscription state, so you can prepare to change your tier. Now you need to look at your layout rows, open the Plan menu box, and pick the upgraded tier that gives you the exact features you need. Locate the bright button on your screen canvas rows labeled Upgrade Plan, click it once to open the comparison sheet, look closely at the choices that appear, and click the Selection button under either the Pro Plan or the Max Plan. Watch the screen slide forward to the checkout page, locking in your new choice level and bringing up the empty data slots. Because selecting your plan tells the computer engine exactly how many monthly benefits to load into your memory card. Choosing the right tier opens up longer chat channels and faster answer speeds. Clicking the choice moves you straight past the comparison screens and drops you at the checkout gate. Click inside the empty checkout fields, type your plastic card numbers, expiration dates, and safety codes, type your billing address lines using your keyboard keys, and click the final button at the bottom labeled Subscribe or Upgrade. And that's it. To manage Claude billing and update payment methods, you must first click your profile icon or organization name and open your settings on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the side menu and click on the billing row on your screen canvas rows to view your options. Next, you look at the screen to click the Upgrade Plan button and select either the Pro Plan or the Max Plan from the choices. Finally, you type your card and billing information inside the empty boxes and click Subscribe to unlock your premium features instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.